We have a really fly 71 C10 behind us. This is a true Super Cheyenne. That is the highest trim level available in 71. Gave this truck a ton of cool stuff. It's fully loaded and has my favorite interior available for a truck of this era. That's super cool. We rarely get them. Tune in, come along, and we're gonna show you a lot of cool stuff about this truck. This truck has a ton of really cool survivor characteristics to it. We're talking paint, we're talking interior. However, it's had some nice updates. It has a set of Holley Retro Bright LED headlamps in there. Those things cost a mint, but they're awesome. They're like your headlights in your new truck. Works really good at night. We've got a new grille in here, which looks great. Hood release just through there. See the leading edge of this hood's got some rock chips. They've been touched up. There's no rust anywhere. You see all the original spot welds looking good. This thing's just clean and dry, nice Southern truck. Underneath the hood, we've replaced the original 350 for a crate 350. And when I say we, I mean the previous owner. This is a factory AC truck. It's a factory power disc brake truck. It's a factory power steering truck. All things we love. This thing's been tuned up a little bit with a set of ceramic coated headers. It's got a nice chop to it through some stainless steel MagnaFlow mufflers. There's also an X-pipe up underneath it. Optima red top battery, love that. Original chalk marking or original inspection markings on the firewall. Aside from this new engine, it's pretty well undisturbed under here. I dig that. Now, as we work our way down this thing, we've got that nice second row of trim with a bit of wood grain. All of our side markers are LED as well. All of this is original and really great shape, as is our Super Cheyenne badge. Love it. Now, there's some stone chips. It's not a show car paint, but it's free of rot. There's no bubbles in it, no cracks. Just really, really slick. Clean bed, nice foose wheels. Gorgeous tailgate. Look at the trim on the tailgate. It's in really good shape. And while it's got a bumper or bruise, still does what it's supposed to do really well. Tail lamps, reverse lights are all LED also. Come around the passenger side. Nothing we don't like. Factory door edge molding still on there. Mirrors are in great shape too, as is the glass and the whole truck for that matter. Clean door edges, nice original door cards. A little bit of authentic wear and tear on them, but they're holding in strong, and I think they'll be looking good for many years to come. This is sweet. We have factory buckets with the console. You never see it. They look great. It's also a shoulder belt truck with the headliner. Can't beat it. Factory tilt. Gorgeous 3-spoke wheels. There's a brushed stainless finish on here. And look at the instruments. We have a factory tack dash. We've got a speedometer up to 100 miles an hour. Got a voltmeter, temperature gauge, vacuum gauge, fuel gauge, and oil pressure. Some knobs up here for our lights and our wipers. Gorgeous dash pad. Carpet kit is in good shape. We've got some nice floor mats, keeping these nice and clean. Factory AM radio. Factory AC controls. The air blows cold in this truck. Center console, sweet. Could fit your phone. You could fit a pack of smokes. Have a little ashtray here and another ashtray here. Glove box door. Forgot to mention, this has a B&M converter lockup controller on it. The original Turbo 350 was replaced with a 700R4 overdrive trans. The controller for that B&M converter is right up underneath the dash. So you can really cruise this thing at a high speed with a low RPM. Makes for a nice cruiser. Something really important. You see here, this truck was equipped with the bucket seats, the 4-season air, heavy duty rear springs, hydraulic brake booster. There's your factory 350. We've got the comfort tilt column, white with dark olive. Sweet. Down over here, olive bucket seat trim. Cheyenne, super sport. Posi track axle, tinted glass. We'll have a close-up picture of this on our website, but it's super rad that that is still in there. And with this truck, that is so well optioned. And I take it because the factory temp gauge is just a hot and cold meter, they've added something in here with proper readings so we can keep an eye on this thing. That's our old Bronco, and that's Miss Karen in it, having some fun. That could be you. Cruising there, felt good. Accelerator pedal feels nice. This thing's pulling clean here at a low speed. And the transmission shifts lovely. It's really wonderful. No slipping, and it's not banging in between the shifts. I like that. Coming up to a little stop sign here. Power brakes feel awesome. With hardly any effort, you can bring this thing down to a halt. We got some AC controls. There we go. Starting to cool down. Air is quite cold. That's awesome. Another nice little touch in here are these shoulder belts. They hook up in the factory locations, but these are modern and they have a little retractable reel on there. So pull them out, click them, throw them back up. Nice and good. Seats are real comfortable. We're doing 55 now and you don't even know. This truck just rolls really nicely. Feels good and tight in the turn. This thing's got a front sway bar in it. Independent front suspension if you didn't know. Love this truck. It behaves so well. I think this truck has daily driver characteristics. If you're looking for something fun to cruise around in the summer, this could be it. Quick recap. Factory loaded up truck. We love that. Buckets and console, so cool. And if you wanted to like install that in your truck, you're gonna spend probably $3,500, $4,000 to buy all that just to put it in one. Factory AC, power disc brakes, power steer, air conditioned, all the sex appeal, great color, LED headlamps for fun driving at night. If you wanna know more, you can call us up at any time. The number is 248-714-2110. Dial it in your phone and we'd be happy to share more. Lastly, our email, it's another good way to reach us, is inquiry@lafontaineClassicCars.com. And while you're down there clicking around, I got a link to view the full listing of this bad boy on our site. It's where we put up 100+ pictures going all the way around it, up underneath it, close-ups of that SPID tag I was showing you. You can also find a breakdown of where this truck's been, what's been done, and what we know about it. Thank you guys. We'll see you in the next clip. Bye-bye.